Today we're gonna play Nickelodeon Slime. Okay, so first we're gonna open the box. Ouch. Whoa. So you have to make the slime. Whoa. Here are the sticks. These ones over here, and this one's over here, oh, what's this? This is the slime, and this is the activator. Okay. Then. Here are the little small balls. Okay, now I'm going to open the instructions. Getting started. Find a clean, flat surface to work on. Protect your work surface with paper towels or loose paper before starting. Paper towels. Okay. I'll go find the paper towels. Ouch. Ouch. First, you put the glue inside the measuring cup up to 25 ml. And so let's do that first. Ooh, there's so much glue in here. I think that's enough. And then you put it in here. Oh wait, I need a spoon to put it all in. Here. Okay, let's put it all in. This is secure. And then you put the water inside. And now you stir. Stir. Okay, and then after you stir, you have to put the color inside of it, and then wait, I have to pick which one, which color. Pick purple. Purple? You want purple? No. Okay, so let's put in blue. No! Which one? Blue or purple? Now let's put 2 spoons. Oh well. Two. Oh, now let's stir again. Oh, the sprinkles. Kind of looks pinkish. Okay, you need to mix and mix until it's color purple. Well, it kind of looks pink right now, but it's purple actually. And now we put the activator in. And then now you stir. Whoa. Real quick. Oh gosh. And now my brother dropped the little cherries. that are so fluffy. I see it turning. Okay, clearly I see it. Whoa! That looks like...
That's like a fountain show.
Fountain show. Whoa! Hey, that wasn't expecting that.
Do it.
Whoa! That's so
Only
cool.
slow motion. Do it slow motion.
Okay, that's cool. Whoa, it's so stretchy. Whoa. It's sliced in half. That's cool. Whoa, you can even take it off your skin. And you put all the slime inside of the cup. You have to make sure like most of it goes inside. It'll be like a cupcake. Don't you like cupcakes, right? Cupcakes? Now let's decorate the cupcake. Not yet, Kean, the sprinkles first. Sprinkles, 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 sprinkles. This is glitter. Yes, glitter. Pretend it's sprinkles. Pretend the glitters are the sprinkles. Spread it a little. Just 2 glitters, okay? Okay, just a little, okay? Okay, okay.
One cherry at the top. And the middle at the bottom. Middle at the top.
Woo! Okay, and then booyah! Whoa,
How do
Kean.
we feel?
Double.
Look at this. Wait, how are we going to do the reveal?
Reveal. Now we're gonna decorate the pink one. Whoa, too much. Okay. Over there, and then over there, and then over there. Okay. And then just like one more time. Okay. And then one cherry. And then a little bit. Just like 1, 2. Okay. Ah! Okay. Now these are the cupcakes. I hope you had fun watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Take care. Bye.